let's review how to create, pin, and set up folders within your Docs section. In this case, I'm already over on the Docs tab and I'm going to create a new folder. I have a lot of options here when I set up this folder. So I can either make it private, so it's just for me and one person. Maybe it's just for me and Jack Blue Ocean to talk about things. Or perhaps it's for everybody, so it's not private. But I do want it to be pinned, so it's going to be held at the top of the roster of folders. I can add it to the top. I also can add it to the bottom. Maybe it's not very important. Maybe it's archive material. So let's do that. Let's make it that goes in the bottom so it doesn't look like it's super important. So we can take a look as we create this folder. It's being added as we speak. And then at the bottom, there it is. You can see it's just a simple plain folder ready for files. The other folders that are for private usage have been labeled private. And you can see here are 3 examples of folders that have been pinned so they float all the way to the top.